Question number 3 is written, Sally maintains a full set of accounting records. Then it is written, she has entered the following transactions in her cash book. The 4 transactions are given below, and then it is written which transactions will then be entered into the nominal ledger. Let's try to understand the situation. It is written maintains a full set of accounting records, meaning the double entry system exists. Okay, then it is written she has entered the following transactions in her cash book, and alongside it is also written below which transactions will then be entered into the nominal ledger. This means after posting these 4 transactions to the cash book, which transactions will then be posted to the nominal ledger. I think the situation is now a bit clear, right? If you recall, you will remember that the nominal ledger contains expenses, incomes, gains, and losses. I think I have been able to explain this to you, right? Let's analyze the transactions one by one. Transaction number 1 is written, a check for $200 was received from a credit customer. A check received from a customer is not an income. Therefore, it is not posted to the nominal ledger. Instead, it is posted to the sales ledger in the relevant customer's personal accounts. Transaction number 2 is written, an insurance premium of $200 was paid by check. Since insurance is an expense, its payment by check is entered in the insurance account in the nominal ledger in addition to the cash book. Transaction number 3 is written, petrol for the delivery van was paid for in cash. Petrol for the delivery van is an expense. Its cash payment is entered in the motor expense account or petrol expense account in the nominal ledger, in addition to the cash book. Transaction number 4 is written, total cash sales of $400 were received. You know, sales revenue is basically an income, and since the cash has been received, this is entered in the sales account in the nominal ledger, in addition to the cash book. So we have identified that transactions number 2, 3, and 4 are posted to the nominal ledger. Therefore, option C supports our findings. So the correct option is option C. Hopefully that was clear.